Hi, I'm Grant, this is DadCrafted, and this is The Shop Floor is Lava.
Ooh. Ah.
So, I did a DIY video on how I transformed my shop floor by using Rust-Oleum's rock solid garage epoxy copper pot color.
Well, we made a video of it.
Yeah, and it's going to be linked above somewhere and linked down in the description. So if you want to learn how to epoxy your floor, you can watch that. This is not what this video is. This is our take on the somewhat stupid and ridiculous show on Netflix, The Floor is Lava.
Wait, and someone said the floor is lava in, what is it?
On our Instagram and our YouTube comments, I think people told us that the floor looked like lava. So we were like, well, we like that show, so why don't we make our own?
We think of it and then we like put the stuff down, why?
Yeah, we made an obstacle course. Why not?
What the? Lava? The shop floor is lava? What happened?
The shop floor is lava! I don't think we can make that jump. Can you make that jump?
Wait, what's over there?
Try it, it'll be fun. Oh yeah. Can you make it over there, buddy?
Maybe we can use that stool.
Bring it back.
Wait, it's a floor, guys. Maybe that's how we're going to get it down. I can use the floor. Oh, it goes over there. I don't know how to get across with this thing. Wait, can you put it in the hot water?
Go get the floor, buddy. Bring it back.
I did. Hey, let's leave it. Hey, let's under it away.
You get over there. Now I'm going to use the board to make my way this way. There could be something important on the wall.
Yeah, wait, something more than that, maybe. I'm scared.
Oh! I think we got something here.
Give me it. Can you reach it?
Is it a key?
I think so.
Or a beer pedal?
Hey, look, it might pull back and forth. I
I'm
just
coming.
need it. Just give me it.
I can't make it!
Use that board and go over here.
That would take too long. Time is running out!
The door's shut. I can't. It's moving down automatically.
Oh!
Yay.
I made it. I didn't break my knee.
I can't reach it. I need something to help. How are we going to get those down? Like, did we have to shoot them?
The Zip Trooper? Alright, how are we going to do that?
Oh, wait, I see something. Is it a gun? I think I want to go down.
How convenient.
Is it a zip tube gun?
Darts! Blaster!
Shoot up there. No.
Where?
There.
Where?
At the zip tube.
Where?
Let me.
Sorry. Blaster. Bam! Crazy spots. I think I can make it. We can cross the bridge. Ah. Ah.
Don't die. Don't die. Too far. Come back. You can't make it.
It's too far! I'll come back! I'll come back! Get away, buddy! I'm coming back!
Whatever you do, don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die.
Please don't die. Please don't die.
Hey, can
Plan B!
Can you reach? Yeah. Get it. Get it again.
Got it! Alright, who's going first?
Me.
Let's do this. Keep your legs and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Hang on tight.
Please don't die. Please don't die.
Hold your freedom! Ah! Can you make it?
Maybe. But you have to push it a little bit back, then we can reach it. I mean, it's not
Oh! Ah, I lost the tool! Watch out for splinters. Splinter cart. Alright, fingers inside. Don't get run over. Coming in hot! On to freedom! Oh no, that's not gonna work.
Lots of freedom.
Oh! Come on! How am I gonna get across?
I don't know. You got it.
We're running out of time! I'm coming! I've got old man knees though.
What?
Very bad.
What? 3 minutes
Ow!
almost.
Ow! Old man knees! I think I'm gonna jump. Oh god, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
What's happening? I need something! No!
I'm coming! Anyway, is that it? Were you gonna say anything else? Our only problem was obviously the floor isn't water like on the show, so a little bit dangerous if we happen to jump off of something from a far distance, so not the most extreme obstacle course ever. There you go.
Easy obstacles.
Pretty easy obstacles. But we tried to use some of the other props that we've made in the past, like our Sith Trooper friend back there, some of the furniture that I built for the patio, my beer paddle that I made,
Even the cot.
even the splintered shop cart, which amazingly has like 3,000 or 4,000 views on YouTube, and it's unexpected.
And it has like 400 splinters.
400 splinters. Literally the worst shop cart in the history of shop
But
carts.
except the key actually gets the cart back from a way far distance.
Yeah, and this actually isn't a key, it's my mash paddle that I made many years ago. Never did a video on this. Might do another one someday, but this is a
Hot.
solid maple beer paddle. You like for beer.
You didn't use all Highland Shield, right?
No, we should have brought the Hylian shields and maybe the Mandalorian blaster in, but if anybody wants to watch those videos,
This is
check out our channel, subscribe.
a fudge bar. It's like obstacles and but hot lava with it.
Yep. I suspect we'll be playing many more rounds of the floor is lava. The shop floor. Copyright. Playing many more rounds of the shop floor is lava around here, right?
We might change the obbies.
Do we get a fudge bar? Give me a fudge bar. I want a fudge bar.
Thanks, Dad.
At the very end, I said we had to pay homage to Indiana Jones and do the Indiana Jones thing where he drops his hat and barely gets it before the door shuts. And these guys didn't know what I was talking about. And I realized I don't think I've ever showed them Indiana Jones, so guess what we're watching tonight?
I opened it myself. Obstacles, so good. It's very hard. Maybe me, just me. Do you think it's hard? Do you think it's hard? It's so easy.
Yeah, I hurt my knees.
I slipped. I didn't do anything. When I was sitting on that cooler, I slipped, didn't fall off.
We live to traverse the course another day. Next time we'll bring in maybe some monsters or stormtroopers that'll shoot at us or something, right?
The Sith Trooper will actually shoot.
Yeah, they'll shoot back at us.
What? We have fudge balls.
That's your reward for making it across.
Oh.
Good job. All right. Good job, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Is that good? Is that all we got? No! No! On to safety! Oh no! On
Oh, that's it.
Alright, stay over there.
Get to up.
In the freezer.
So.
Oh, so much editing later.